The People's Empowerment Party, PEP, is calling for political change and increased involvement of Virgin Islanders in the economic sectors of the territory. This call came from PEP Chairman Alvin Christopher when the party addressed Virgin Gorda residents at a mix and mingle event held at the Catholic Community Center on Wednesday, May 14th.
We hear the cry of alienation of our people. The People's Empowerment Party understands and will encourage investors in carrying out development. But our constitutional right to the free access of our natural resources and the right to enjoy these resources must never be compromised. To any government that fails to protect these rights, I say to you this evening, a change must come.
The PEP issued invitations to the public recently calling for input in developing its plans, policies, programs, and specific areas of focus in their manifesto as the party prepares to contest the next general elections. The PEP intends to identify and name its candidates at the party's convention, which will come after a series of community meetings and the establishment of district committees. Speaking to JTV News prior to Wednesday's Mix and Mingle, President of the newly formed party, Natalia Wheatley, says many people are gravitating to the PEP.
Absolutely. As you know, the Virgin Islands is a very small community. A lot of people work for government, even if you're private individuals. If you work for a private business does a lot of business with government. And so people don't want to come out publicly in support of a particular party. It's only the few that really do that. But privately, you know, we have conversations with people, whether it's on Facebook, whether it's over the phone, whether you meet them in the road. And we have received a lot of encouragement in the community, and people are getting really excited. Of course, you have some negatives, as always. You have some people who perhaps they support another party. You know, when their party is in power, that brings a lot of benefits to them and their family. So they're going to fight hard to keep their party in power. So, you know, you might get some negatives here and there, but based on my judgment, people are excited for another option besides the existing parties.
A release from the PEP says it is taking a parallel stance on its political plans and policies. The party says some people are calling for a manifesto-type information, but the party thinks that it is premature at this point. The organization says after a thorough process of education and debate, the policies that the public wants will become the policies that the PEP adopts.